Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We don't know what the Clarendon we're going St. Toulouse River. And any other river that close by this, so we're going to visit there too. But the main aim today is to go St. Toolies River, you see me? Yeah, so you know that go, I get some content in and we're gonna get some reels and you know, we just like a whole vibe. None out of the ordinary today, just a chill day, you know? And we're gonna see what go on. So stay tuned. Road bad. I don't know why all of them hidden gems are them rivers here. There are some places where road bad. So this is the free one, St. Toolies. Akil Empress. So only for parking. Not only for parking and free part. Is it? But yeah. River the right cross over there, so train line. No, it don't sound wrong, you know, it just sound. Yes, sir. So it ends there. The parking over there, so you come right across the road. Yeah. Nothing big. So you can walk from here to where we're going, yeah. You can walk, man. I make them walk.
Thank you for tuning with us.
That is it.